Hey, good morning, guys. What's going on? My name is Dr. Boyce Watkins. Welcome to the Black Financial Channel. That's theblackfinancialchannel.com. That is where we are Black first, but we also talk about economic issues on a daily basis. I go live several times a day on the Black Financial Channel. So today I want to talk about Tesla. Tesla stock enters into the S&P 500 today. That's a big deal. We've been waiting for Tesla to enter the S&P for a very long time. This is going to be the big day where it happens. And I told you guys before, we've been talking about this for maybe about a month now, that Tesla stock was going to have some major moves as it gets added to the S&P. The first predicted move was that it was going to go way up as a result of companies having to add Tesla into their indexes. And then there was also an expectation that it would go down immediately after it was added, almost a hit it and quit it kind of trade. And so I'm going to talk about Tesla stock on the Black Financial Channel. Go ahead and hit the thumbs up button, hit the share button, hit the subscribe button. We're going to get started right now. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. My name is Dr. Boyce Watkins. I'm your friendly neighborhood finance professor, and I wanted to come in and talk to you guys real quick today about Tesla stock and what's going on with Tesla. Tesla stock just entered into the S&P 500, and it's kind of a big deal because Tesla's been trying to get into the S&P for a while for obvious reasons. If you notice, Elon Musk is now worth well over $100 billion because of this move, and it's a very big deal for him, a very big day for the country. Now, Tesla stock today, as of 8:30 a.m. Eastern time on December 21st, has seen a dip. It's dropped by about 3% in pre-market trading, and the question becomes: is this temporary or is this permanent? Tesla is a strong company. It's a great company. Most of the research I'm finding about Tesla is saying that this company, that there's more than meets the eye. You know, it's this beautiful woman where you haven't even begun to find out how amazing she is until you really get to know her. And so Tesla stock is interesting because Tesla has a greater market cap than I believe all the other auto companies combined. That's kind of a scary thing. But the thing about Tesla is that they're trading Tesla not just as a tech company, but as a super extraordinary tech company that's literally going to be that's going to give birth to entire industries. That's light years ahead of all the other companies. That's going to do amazing things in the future. And I don't doubt that. I think Elon Musk is a great guy. I think that his team is amazing, and I love what they're doing. You got to love any billionaire who's trying to go to Mars. So Elon Musk has my stamp of approval without a doubt. Now let's talk about what's going on with Tesla today. Tesla now, as they're added to the S&P 500, they are 1.69% of the S&P, which is pretty massive. That makes them the fifth company in terms of size in the S&P 500. Number one is Apple, then Microsoft, Amazon, Facebook, then Tesla. Tesla's right ahead of Google, which is very surprising. Google's market cap here, their float adjusted market cap is about $500 billion. Apple's at $2 trillion. Microsoft's at $1.6 trillion. Amazon's at $1.3 trillion. And so for some reason, I thought Google was closer to $1 trillion. And then after that, there's Berkshire Hathaway, Johnson & Johnson, JP Morgan Chase, and Visa. Now, here's some other things going on. Basically, if you read CNBC, the historic addition to the S&P 500 put a bow on Tesla's outstanding 2020. The Elon Musk-led company has turned in 5 consecutive profitable quarters and heightened demand for electric vehicles. Tesla shares have soared more than 730% this year, bringing the company's market cap to more than $658 billion. Tesla's entry is the largest ever for the influential stock index and perhaps the most dramatic. Investors, including passive fund managers and active managers that use the S&P 500 as a benchmark, rushed into Tesla shares in the final run-up, pushing the stock up nearly 6% on Friday to close at an all-time high of $695. Over 200 million shares traded hands from Tesla during that single session, more than quadrupling the 30-day average trading volume. So what tends to happen in financial theory, and I did a lot of research on this when I was in graduate school, and actually when I was teaching at Syracuse University, I used to write research papers on things like trading volume and how trading volume is connected to volatility and price movement. So it doesn't surprise me that there's so much volume because all these fund managers have to add Tesla to their funds in order to be balanced with the market. The other interesting thing about it, though, is that the heavy volume tends to drive a lot of volatility. Tesla's already a pretty volatile stock. And that's one of the reasons why I made a lot of money actually writing call options on Tesla stock. I wasn't really interested in trying to speculate too much. I actually like to, I like the options activity on Tesla stock. I'm not real sure about the long-term potential. I wouldn't be surprised if Tesla grows and becomes this amazing company, but there's a lot of stuff about the valuation of Tesla that makes me a little bit nervous, largely because Elon Musk is this larger-than-life superstar. And in a way, it's almost like if you fall in love with somebody and you feel like it's too good to be true, then you have to ask yourself, what happens if it is too good to be true? What happens if this woman leaves, right? So you got to kind of at least think about that a little bit, because with Tesla, you have Elon Musk with this rock star status, and everyone loves it because all the Robinhood traders are swimming toward Tesla because they're excited about his vision for the future. He's the kind of visionary that America and the world actually needs, because he really wants to go to Mars, which is something that we've always talked about for 40 years, but nobody actually ever did it. NASA completely dropped the ball on that. And so I believe that the whole Mars play, this whole guy, the fact that this guy's building this massive fortune so that we can all go to Mars, is super exciting. And the big worry I always have is I say, well, what happens if something happens to Elon Musk? How well will the stock hold up if something happens to him? And then also, what if that bubble pops? What if something emerges as a competitor and really jumps in there and competes with Tesla? Right now, nobody can do that, but I'd be curious to know how that plays out. So it's not so much the knowns that bother me with Tesla. It's not about the unknowns. It's the unknown unknowns. And so I think that's one of the reasons why I'd be real careful about Tesla stock. If you want to know what I think in the short term, I think Tesla's going to dip again. I think it's going to keep dropping. I don't think this is going to be a great month for Tesla. Long term, though, I see it as a buying opportunity. I'd actually, I have Tesla in my portfolio. I'm going to add some more as the price drops. So that's my 2 cents on Tesla. I don't think it's a bad stock. I just think that there are some concerns to kind of look out for. Now, do me a favor, hit the thumbs up button, hit the share button, hit the subscribe button. I'm not going to be in there for long. Also, I want to remind you guys, if you want your children to get introduced to wealth, we actually at the Black Business School, our team of experts put together financial workbooks and flashcards specifically for Black children to teach them about wealth. If you want your kids to be wealthy and to be financially secure and comfortable, you got to start preparing them now. So make sure you do that. And also, if there's a free lecture, if you want to go take a look, if you're curious about things like how investing or insurance and all these things contribute to your financial security. Financial security is very important. So if you want to go take a look, feel free. There's a free lecture there at blackfinancialsecurity.com. You can bring in your whole family, watch it like a TV show. It won't take long, but it'll change your life. I guarantee it. So hit the thumbs up button, share, subscribe button. Also, text the word BOYCE to 31996 if you want to get notified when we go live. I'm going to go live a little bit later on drboycetv.com, and we're going to have a panel all about love and relationships and money. We love to talk about financial lovemaking topics. So our all Black intellectual chocolate panel will be meeting on Dr. Boyce TV a little bit later. But I tell you guys, we're serious. We run this like a TV network. We're very busy. We're constantly doing things and engaging the community because we want the community to be smarter and better and more informed. And we want to hear the voices of people that are not going to be put in mainstream media. So that's our goal. That's what we're doing. We reach 1 million Black people a week, so we're getting it done. So hit the thumbs up button on your way out. I'm out of here. Have a good day, and I will see you soon. Take care. Peace.